Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup render presets in Adobe Media Encoder for speed. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Media Encoder on your computer. Navigate to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, look for the General tab on the left side. Click on the General tab to access the General settings. Scroll down until you find the Reset section. Here, you will see options related to presets and settings. Locate the Export Presets section. Click on that Export Presets to reveal your saved render presets. Select the render presets you want to backup. Right-click on the selected presets. Choose the Export option from the context menu. A dialog box will open, prompting you to choose a file location. Select your desired destination for the backup file. Give the file a recognizable name for easy identification. Click the Save button to export your presets. Once the export is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Confirm that the backup file is present and properly named. To restore your presets in the future, return to Adobe Media Encoder. Go back to the Edit menu and click on Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the General tab again. Scroll to the Export Presets section. Click on the Import button located in the same area. Navigate to the backup file you previously saved. Select the file and click Open to restore your presets. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the import was successful. Now your render presets are backed up and ready to use whenever you need them. Remember to periodically back up your presets to avoid losing any important settings. This process can significantly enhance your workflow and speed up your rendering tasks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.